Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're exploring SolidGigs, a platform designed to help freelancers find consistent, high-paying work. Instead of endlessly scrolling through low-paying gigs on generic job boards, SolidGigs curates opportunities from various sources, pre-vetting them for quality and pay. This saves you significant time and energy, allowing you to focus on what you do best, delivering excellent work. They handpick only the best freelance gigs, sifting through the noise so you don't have to. Imagine having a dedicated team constantly searching for the perfect opportunities tailored to your skills. That's essentially what SolidGigs offers. SolidGigs doesn't just aggregate job postings, it provides a comprehensive suite of resources to help freelancers thrive. Beyond the job board, they offer valuable tools, including contract templates, proposal examples, and a community forum for support and networking. These additional features enhance the overall experience, making it a valuable asset for freelancers of all levels, from beginners just starting out to seasoned professionals seeking to level up their careers. Think of it as a one-stop shop for everything freelance-related. One of the key benefits of using SolidGigs is the access to high-quality clients and projects. Because they focus on premium gigs, you're more likely to find work that aligns with your skills and pays well. This allows you to build a sustainable freelance career, rather than constantly chasing low-paying gigs just to make ends meet. It's about working smarter, not harder. The platform also emphasizes building long-term client relationships, fostering stability and predictable income streams. This is crucial for freelancers seeking consistent work and financial security. While SolidGigs does come with a subscription fee, the potential return on investment is substantial. By connecting you with high-paying clients and providing valuable resources, the platform can quickly pay for itself. Consider the time and effort you save by not having to scour countless job boards. That time can be better spent on client work, professional development, or simply enjoying your life outside of work. SolidGigs helps you optimize your freelance journey, enabling you to focus on what truly matters, producing exceptional work and building a successful career. So, if you're serious about freelancing, SolidGigs might be the perfect platform to propel you forward.